Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here then welcome. Today we are going to dive into a fun and festive project, making a beautiful pine cone cluster for the holiday season, perfect for decorating your home or as a thoughtful gift for a loved one. So stay with me and let's get started. I'm going to use the wire around the bottom to create a fixing. I cut a decent length and then wrap it around until we get a nice secure fixing. So next, let's prepare our greenery by cutting into a smaller portion. I will leave all my greeneries I'm using in the description box below, but you can use whatever you have on hand, such as holly, berries, pine branches, variety of conifer stems. So first I'm attaching rope to the pine cone and then all my greens individually put them on. It is much easier this way to manipulate them around instead of gathering them all together in a bunch and put them on at once. Once you are happy with your design, grab a white jute twine or any color you like and wrap it around to cover those ends in a kind of cone shape. And you would need 7 pine cones dressed in greenery. I'm pulling out about 78-inch or 2 meters length of rope and I'm going to tie on one pine cone at one end, just basically the same exact method which we done on the first pine cones but without the greenery. And then I'm going to take the other pine cone that I've already wired up and attach it to the other end to the rope, and this is the only time I'm going to do one length of rope with pine cones. And the reason I'm doing it this way is because I want to create a very strong loop to hang at the top, and we will need 3 more on a separate ropes. Once I've got all my pine cones in place, I find it much easier to stand up and then to start working out the exact position you want them to be. And the best part is you can add your pine cones as many as you like. So once I'm happy with that, I tie a jute twine around to keep them in place. I've got it back on the table, and I'm going to tie on another length of rope and then start to twist quite tightly around by securing all of those loose pieces of the rope. Once I've got to where I want to be, I just trim off all the leftovers, making sure not to trim the loop. You can leave as it is, or you can add some ribbon, depends on what your decor is and what colors you have chosen for Christmas or winter styling. Just get fun with it, play around, and we'll create something that is unique to you and have a touch of nature. Thank you for joining me in this fun and festive crafting project. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more creative ideas. Happy crafting, everyone!